Okay, so I'm resuming the video here because we might have a possible higher low. Um, if it finishes a little smaller, if it even triggers. Alright, came back from my break. I missed a couple of setups, but it is what it is. It's my break time. Um, well, actually, I only missed one. I was here. I had my limit order, and I wanted a better fill. I never got it, and it just left. So that's cool. Right now, I'm looking for a second entry long at the EMA, and hopefully we get a nice second entry long at the EMA. Resume the video when either that happens or I find another trade. Okay, guys. Um, it's 3:05. The market is getting pretty late in the afternoon now. I didn't take no trades today. I missed most of the trades. Um, I was just I was just busy in the morning, and then I took a break, and I didn't get filled in some of them. But anyways, let's review today's price action. Let me zoom in here. Okay, so we started off with like a range. Let me zoom in a little more. Okay, so we started with like a little range here. A little range. I had a range with a little wider up here, but this kind of just fit. But yeah, just really nothing here. The risk is fell second first leg. This one right here was pretty decent right here. First leg, first entry, second signature long. This is a little higher, like this. It's like so. Maybe down here with the midline in the middle. But yeah, there was this fell second long off the highs. First leg, first entry, second long failure, and then it gave you back, and then it came back and gave you a higher low as well. But probably got to scalped already here with this fell second long. And then there was really much to get into. It was just so congested here. Um, Congestion. Uh, we pushed below the EMA, create a new leg for this entry, get a new leg. This entry got a new leg. That's sometimes it happens. After let's say this had a downtrend, break to new low, and this such a like the second leg is pretty. It's a pretty it's a pretty convincing. Another leg is like a brand new leg. It will make an extreme for that leg as well. There was no entry here for this leg to get in the extreme. Then we pushed above the EMA. Pushed above the EMA. Up, like I say, I was busy, busy around this time. I missed this nice higher low, confirming the second inch long. We have a first leg, first entry, second leg, second inch long, but you can't take the second inch long because look at the signal bar. So, and then it came back, give you higher low off the EMA, off the EMA, great setup. Um, by that time, I believe I had like this or something like this. But then I had went to go do something, and I missed this trade. But overall, it was a good trade. It's off this trend, trend channel line, and the EMA. Great setup right there. Even if you were playing this range, you still had enough room to scalp out. Let me see. Yeah, 2 points. You see, great setup. I just missed it, and then we just pushed above into we got we just continued pushing. There was really no other way to get into this to ride this channel, and then we had a break. We had a second just short, but I really wasn't thinking about shorting because the bigger picture was uptrend. Um, but you see the second just short. It was pretty congested, but this dead trend did you know you got to respect the correction. So it's a great setup. And then we push above the EMA, no setup. If this bar was bearish, I would have taken it because not only did we make a new high for this uptrend, see, just barely made a new high. And then we continue to push lower. I didn't see anything going lower here. And then I missed this higher low here. It was a downtrend breaking new low. We're at the bottom of the range. Uh, a higher low, and I wanted to get a little better fill. I put my two ticks back to like right here. It didn't came back and just left. And I tried to chase it by just up to the by one tick, and it still still left me. It's okay. Then I was on break on this entire thing. We had a lower high. We had like a breakout, and it pulled back. Lower high, great setup. Um, I don't really like this one because it was pretty congested, as you can see. We shoot, and then we overshot this channel, push above the EMA, no second inch long, or fell second too short to get into right to get into this. And then there was news as well, so and then there was nothing here, and then we had a strong push above the EMA. We traded into like the spiking channel, but at first I had a range here, something like this. I had a range here first, like so, which I didn't feel comfortable with taking the second inch long. And this was second inch long was too far from the EMA. It never see how it never triggered, but first leg was entry, second leg, as soon as the bar triggered, the ball was second inch long. But you see, I was playing the range at the time. Um, it was just too close to the to the resistance, so I didn't. But then I didn't play as a range, so I deleted it, and I could see why it was a great setup here. We overshot, and then we overshot. I didn't draw the channel, but then we overshot here. Wait, it's supposed to be over here. Then we overshot here, push above the EMA, and then there's just nothing again. Yeah, today I'm still gonna review the chart, even though I didn't take a trade because I was busy basically in every other with the setups formed. I was busy, or I just didn't get filled. That's part of trading though. But yeah, but this is today's price action. Um, I'm gonna wrap it up and hope you have a great day. I'm out.